Welcome to Math Chinedu Hub class. Today we'll be looking at simultaneous linear equation, but we'll be using short method instead of using the method of substitution method, elimination method, determinant method, or graphical method. We just want to use this short method, see how we can find the value of x and y without wasting time. Now let's go. First, we cross multiply. Good. We start from here. Let's find the value of x first. We start here. 1 times the coefficient of y, which is what? Which is 1. So 1 times 1 is giving us 1. We put our minus sign. The same thing here. 3 times, this is minus 1. 3 times minus 1 is still giving us minus what? 3. All over. Good. Now this one here, it will now be what? 1 times 3, which is what? 3. So put our minus sign. Okay, we also have here 1 times minus 1, which is minus 1. Have you seen this? Good. Of course, we should know that minus times minus is giving us plus. So we are having here 1 plus 3. I repeat, minus times minus is what? Plus. So 1 plus 3. The same thing here, minus times minus is giving us what? Plus. So we now have 3 plus 1, which is giving us what? 1 plus 3 is 4, and 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by itself is 1. So x is giving us 1. We have gotten the value of what? X. Let's get the value of y. We get the value of y here. So y is equal to, remember when we got the value of what? X, we first say 1 times the coefficient of y, which is 1. But to get the value of y here, we're going to start from 3. So that is now going to give us 3 times 3, which is giving us 9. Still put the minus sign. Okay. 1 times the coefficient of x, of course here is 1. 1 times 1 is giving us 1. All over. We are still going to have the same thing here as the denominator, which we say here that 3 times 1 gave us 3, isn't it? And 1 times 1 gave us what? Minus 1. 1 times minus 1 gave us minus 1. So it's the same thing as 3 minus minus 1, as you can see. Good. Okay, so now 9 minus 1 is giving us 8. And of course, minus times minus is giving us what? Plus. So we're now having 3 plus what? 1, which is still giving us 8 here. And 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 8 divided by 4, we are having what? 2. So you can see that. So therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Very simple trick. Okay, let's look at the other example here. We're going to look at example 2. We look at example 2, then I will leave number 3 for you to try on your own. Then you give me the answer. Let's see. Okay, the same thing we did in number 1 is still what we're going to do here. Finding the value of what? X. First, we start from here. Remember I say we cross multiply. Where we say 1 times the coefficient of what? Y here. 1 times 2 is giving us 2. We still put our minus sign. Okay. Then this side we now have 12 times minus 3. That is giving us minus 36. All over. Now, here we now have here 2 times 5 is giving us 10. Still put a minus sign. And of course we have 3 times 3, which is giving us what? It's giving us 9. Okay. So what do we do here? Here we now have what? Minus times minus is giving us what? Plus. So here we are having 2 plus 36. That's giving us 38. All over. This is what? Okay, here we have 3 times minus 3. That should give us what? Minus 9. Okay, we continue that. Then minus times minus is what? Plus. So 10 plus 9, we are having 19. As you can see, 38 divided by 19 is giving us 2. That means x is equal to 2. We have gotten the value of what? X. Let's get the value of y. Y is equal to, remember what I said in the example 1, to get x, we started from here. We multiply here first, then this times by this one. Now for us to get y, we are going to start from the up, which is 12 times 5, and 12 times 5 is giving us 60. Okay, so we still put our minus sign. We now have 1 times 3 is giving us 3. All over, remember how we got this side? First we say 2 times 5 or 5 times 2, that gave us what? 10. Put your minus sign. And 3 times 3 times minus 3, that gave us minus 9, as you can see. So here now, we now have 60 minus 3 is giving us 57. Good. And of course, minus times minus is what? Plus. So this now means 10 plus 9, we are having what? 19. Remember I said that the denominator is always the same thing. You can see, even the first example that we did, the denominator is always the same thing. Now 57 divided by 19, that will now give us what? 3. So you can take it here to give us 3. So y is equal to what? 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, this is just short method in solving simultaneous linear equation. So, like I said, you're going to try this third question. Try it, send me your answer, let me see what you get. Okay, it's very easy. Yes, in the next video, we are going to look at how to solve the same problem using elimination method. Thank you for today's lesson. See you in my next video. Bye.